for this tutorial, we're gonna be needing a pair of scissors. You can use whatever size that works for you, big, medium, small. And we're also gonna be needing a crochet net, a drawstring crochet net. And we're also gonna be needing a hook that will attach to the drawstring crochet net. And we'll be needing 2 of that. You can use 2, 3, depends on how you want your crochet to be. And we're going to be using a crochet pin, of course, which is very important because without a crochet pin this is useless. And of course we're going to be using a needle and thread, and of course we're going to be needing our kinky. For this tutorial I actually used my old kinky. Anyone works, old or new. So we're going to go ahead and secure the crochet net with a T-pin on a mannequin head. Yeah, that's what a T-pin looks like. And just secure it on the mannequin head so it makes it easier for you to crochet your kinky onto your crochet nets. And we're just going to go ahead and crochet the kinky on the crochet net, just like that, just like what I'm doing. Yeah, and you just put it through the hole and secure it, and that's it. After doing that, you want to trim the excess hair and yeah, just get it to the desired length you want and make it look neat, of course. And since I was using old kinky hair, I didn't like the way the curls were, so I had to use a comb to comb it out. After doing that, you take out the bun off the mannequin head and attach the hook to the crochet net with a needle and thread. Your bun is ready, easy peasy. Please guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial and if you're going to try it, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.